I started to realize that there was a lot of patients who you could put all the bells and whistles on them and they still would make the wrong decisions for their health. And I realized there was something else going on. And that's when I got really interested in evolutionary biology and understanding how we are programmed to survive and to connect and to reproduce, and how a lot of that programming drives a lot of our decision making. That's when I started realizing, oh wow, a lot of people have subconscious programming that was from their childhood, from the way that they were raised and conditioned by their parents, that actually contributes to them making the wrong food decisions. When I saw that connection, I was like, whoa, there's something really missing from the world of nutrition around how we make decisions and how we create habits and how we feed ourselves. And how we feed ourselves is so deeply tied to how we feed one another, how we were fed by our parents. And I'm really passionate about human connection in all of its forms, because I really think it's a big, big part of optimal health. And it turns out that the greatest factor we know in long-term health and happiness is who we spend our time with and how our relationships are.